guys, welcome to math class. I miss you all and I hope you're doing well. You guys have been doing some fantastic work so far on the 4 previous weeks that we've been learning, so keep it up. So one of your lessons this week is on the triangle inequality theorem. And what that is just that saying that any side of a triangle must be shorter than the other two sides added together. So if we take a look at that picture below, if I add 7, let me get my little pointer here. If I add 7 and 8 together, that gives me 15. And since 15 is greater than 9, that works. If I do 8 plus 9 together, that gives me 17. And 17 is greater than 7. So that one also works. And if I do 9 plus 7, that gives me 16. 16 is also greater than 8. So because all 3 of my equations work out in which the two sides added together are greater than one side, this would create a triangle. And that's how you decide if a triangle can be created or not. So let's look at 3 examples together and then followed by one that you're going to try on your own. Now, if you want to try this at home, here's some extended activities you can do. You can cut random pieces of paper or straws and see if the different lengths will actually be able to form a triangle. Because as you can see in this example here, a triangle was able to form because the straw lengths were cut accordingly. Here, they were not. Also in this example here, the triangle sides did work out and they were able to form a triangle. Here, they were not because 3 plus 2 would be 5, which is less than 6. So that's why that example does not work. So for example number 1 together here, can these numbers be the length of the sides of a triangle? So we have 8, 9, and 10. So we're going to look at 3 different equations here. So we have 8 plus 9 equals 17, 8 plus 10 equals 18, and 9 plus 10 equals 19. So since 8 plus 9 is 17, and 17 is greater than the other side, which is 10, this one works. It's supposed to be a check mark. There we go. This one, 8 plus 10 is 18, and since 18 is greater than the other side, which is 9, this works. And then here we have 9 plus 10 equals 19, and since 19 is greater than 8, this one also works. And because all 3 of them work out, yes, this would be the sides of a triangle. All right, let's try another example here. So for example 2, can these numbers be the length of the sides of a triangle? So we're working with 1, 1, and 2. So we have 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So as we look here, as you notice, we have 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 equals 2. This will not work because the side has to be greater. And because they're equal, it doesn't work out. But looking at the other examples, they do because 3 is greater than 1 and 3 is greater than 1. But because we had that 1 that didn't work out, guys, this will not form a triangle. So no triangle will form. Let's look at example 3 here. So example 3 says, can these numbers be the length of the sides of a triangle? So I have 6 plus 9 equals 15, 6 plus 8 equals 14, and 9 plus 8 equals 17. So because 9 plus 6 is 15, which is greater than 8, that works. Here, 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 is greater than 9. That one also works. And lastly, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is greater than 6. So that one works as well. And because all 3 of them work out, guys, yes, this one will form a triangle. Now that we've done 3 examples together, I'd like you to try this next one on your own. So can these numbers be the length of the sides of a triangle? You're going to write down 3 equations to figure out this answer. So these are the 3 equations you should have came up with. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 9 equals 12. And 4 plus 9 equals 13. Now, because 7 is not greater than 9, guys, that doesn't work. But let's look at the other ones just to check out. 12 is greater than 4, so that one works out. And 13 is greater than 3, so that works out. But once again, because I have that one standalone x, this will not, oops, sorry guys, this will not form a triangle. All right, so now guys, what I would like you to do is you're going to figure out activity 2, if the 3 sides would make a triangle or not. If you have any questions through this process, please do not hesitate to email me or get a hold of me on my Google Hangout. I hope that to hear from some of you soon, and enjoy the rest of your week of learning.